Hey everybody. So today we're going to be modeling a car in a Blender. This will be a 3D car. I'll explain in another video why we're making a car today, but we're making a car today. It'll be a shortish video of just the actual model in the car. Sit back and enjoy. I'll probably pop in once in a while. From looking back at the recording, I'm not actually too sure what type of car this is. Like, I kind of modeled the interior part of the car off after my own car. But like, everything else was just random. I wasn't using a reference image, I just pictured the car in my head and say, yep, that's gonna be a car. And this one, I don't really know, Chief, because I'm looking at it. If you're a car expert here, do tell, like, hey man, put me out here because I ain't too sure what type of car this is. I don't even know if it is a car really. But hey, it's got 4 wheels, a roof, and a floor, and a gas and pedal. That tells me it's a car. Also, here for the windows, might be thinking I'm not going to add any transparent material to them. It's because I'm going to be doing that in Unity, because I know how to do it there better, and I have no idea how to do it here in Blender, so that's why we do it in Unity. Because, I mean, I guess I could do it in Blender, but I prefer to do it in Unity, because I guess, I don't really have a reason why, other than because I know how to do it in Unity, not Blender. So, if you've seen I made a Blender in Blender, that video, right? That there, I tried making a transparent, bowl thing for the Blender. Did not work out, because I don't know how to do transparency. But that's okay, because I know how to do it in Unity. So yeah, transparency, it's something I don't know how to do, but I'll figure it out eventually. So yeah, here's the finished product. It's pretty decent. You might be wondering, it looks horrendous, but it's gonna be a first-person vehicle, not a third-person vehicle. So, you know, it's just a few details I do want though, like a gear shifter, an actual steering wheel. As you can see, I realigned it here a bit better. It's still missing a lot of features, but this was my first attempt at modeling a car, so I think it was pretty good. It won't be the one used. I mean, it might be. I don't know, because I'm having a video coming out. If you look at my last update video, I posted about making the game in 1 week. Well, this is that part of modeling. This was that modeling of that one day. That video is currently in progress. There is a game in progress. And if you stuck to the end of the video, you would know that. But hey, congrats, you made it here. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, if you have any suggestions on what I should model next, please do tell, because I think it'll be lovely.